Today, we're talking about something really exciting, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, the next generation of Samsung's foldable phone is creating a lot of buzz. And here's everything we know so far. The Z Fold 8 is expected to come with a more refined hinge design, making it thinner, lighter, and more durable than ever before. The display will be brighter and smoother, possibly featuring a 120Hz refresh rate on both the main and cover screens. Samsung might also reduce the crease visibility, something users have been waiting for since the first Fold dot under the hood. The Z Fold 8 is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, giving it incredible speed and efficiency. You can expect upgraded cameras, improved battery life, and faster charging, possibly even 45W support. And yes, Samsung could bring better S Pen support, making it even more useful for productivity lovers. Software and AI integration. Samsung is also focusing on Galaxy AI features, things like live translation, AI note-taking, and smart image editing could become even better on the Fold 8. It'll run on One UI 7, based on Android 15. With a more seamless multitasking experience, the Samsung Z Fold 8 is expected to be released around July 2026, following the company's typical release schedule for foldable phones. While there is no official announcement yet, rumors suggest it will be unveiled at the same Summer Unpacked event as in previous years, with pre-orders beginning on launch day. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 reportedly uses a laser drilling metal plate technology to reduce the visible crease in the foldable screen. A larger inner display area rumored to be around approximately 8 with high brightness up to approximately 2,600 nits or more. Both cover and main screen expected to have 120Hz refresh rate. 2. Improved battery and S Pen support. The battery is expected to be larger than its predecessor, possibly around 5,000 mAh. S Pen support is reportedly returning in this generation, after being omitted in the previous one. 3. Flagship level internals. Rumored to be powered by a next-gen chipset, for example, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or similar for better performance and efficiency. High storage and memory options, reports of up to 16GB RAM, 1TB storage in some leaks. 4. Upgraded camera system. The main camera sensor is expected to be very high resolution, 200MP in some leaks, with advanced imaging hardware and software, improved image processing, better ultra-wide telephoto support, and potentially enhanced video capture. 5. Durability and build innovations. Better hinge design, stronger materials, and improved resistance to wear in the fold area. Possibly improved IP rating though. Still a bit uncertain, and enhanced screen protection, large screen experience. In a compact form, when unfolded, you get a tablet-like screen, which is great for multitasking, editing documents, watching videos, using two apps side by side.